Yo, what is up guys, Walton here, back with another video. Today we've got the unboxing of the Apple iPad Pro 11-inch. This is the early 2019 model. It comes with the Apple A12X Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM, 7812 milliamp hour battery, and a 12 megapixel camera, and an 11-inch screen at 1668 times 2388 pixels. So let's go ahead and unbox it. This variant is a 256 GB Wi-Fi and cellular model, space gray. So let's go ahead and unbox it. As you can see, it comes with a magic pull tab, just like the XS Max. Apple has gone for this new slick way of unboxing, which I think is actually really convenient. So let's go ahead and check the device out. And there you go. We're firstly greeted up by the iPad. And first looks, it's really slim and really light. Let's go ahead and see what else comes in the box. Comes with the Apple instruction manual, telling us about the new Face ID system that we have in the iPhone 10 and XS, XS Max, 10R. I've heard there are color graded Apple stickers, and I guess I'm wrong. Oh, I think that was with the new Mac Pro, not too sure. And within the box we get a Type-C to Type-C cable, as well as a Type-C brick. This is really convenient from Apple to give the iPad Pro a Type-C cable, Type-C port, especially with the new iPad OS rolling out. This could bring a lot of new possibilities, as you can connect external hard drives and camera equipment. So let's go ahead and boot it up for the first time. It does take a while booting up, especially it's the first startup. So let's go ahead and set it up. We're gonna set it up. We've just inputted our Wi-Fi password, and now we're waiting for the iPad to activate. This new space gray variant is actually really dark compared to the other space gray variants on the previous generation iPad Pro. It's got the same old quad speaker variant layout with a Type-C port and the new Face ID sensor on the top. We're gonna go ahead and set up Face ID. So